I'm very pleased to welcome with us today. We have Chad Klock and Richard Cardenas with Emery Lane Homes. And first, tell us a little bit about Emery Lane.
Emery Lane Homes is been around for about 5 years now.
Okay.
And we're based in Arcadia Light, and we do custom home building in Arcadia mainly, in Scottsdale, Paradise Valley, and Central Corridor.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Having said that, we're about to do 2 big houses in Gilbert too, so we're kind of expanding our geographic area.
Well, and I'm sure there's a lot of people that are going to want your services on the west side, and they'll just drag you over there and everywhere. So
absolutely. So we've been in business for about 8 years.
Okay.
Most recently with Emery Lane Homes, we started that about 5 years ago, building custom homes. I'm the general contractor of the group, and Chad's the real estate guru of the group, and together we've built something pretty spectacular.
Now, is it something where people actually have a lot and they come in, or do you already have the property and then you're building the homes? How does that work?
Both.
Okay.
So if they have the lot, we'll do design build.
Okay.
So we have a good group of designers in house that we love. People love to work with. We'll design whatever you need. If you already have the lot, or if you already have your architect, we'll work with him as well.
Okay. Yeah. I love that. And that's a big thing, because I know a lot of people, like me, for instance, in the past, I gutted my house and was like, all right, I want to start over. And then I love it that I can have someone come in and do it. But then there's others like, okay, I really want to be in this area. Can you help me out? We want to find something. And then you can build their dream home. I mean, it's perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, we do both. We probably have about a half a dozen spec houses right now.
Nice.
Yes, in various stages of construction.
Okay.
And you can certainly reach out to info@emerylanehomes.com. We have anything from probably the price points of $750,000 to upwards of $6-7 million.
Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. Yeah. All right, well, people need to get a hold of you and check it out, because they need you. Some people might not even know they need you, but they do. So thanks for joining us today.
Well, thanks for having us. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.